Alright, so I'm in a NAS100 long. This setup is kind of counter trend because we are in a downtrend on the 5 minute, but it's broke minor structure here, and we are also at a 1 hour demand as well as a 15 minute, and it is coming back up. So I got in at the 5 minute break of candle, and we're just looking to catch a 1-to-1 to be honest, because there's a demand here and we are technically in the downtrend on the 5 minute. So I'm not trying to get greedy. Once again, I'm risking low amounts, so don't think this is about to be a big ass win. That'd be a minuscule win. I'm just trying to get my psychology right, and yeah. So I don't know whether to just like walk away from my PC real quick and just like let it run, because I will happily let it hit my take profit or stop loss. Like, I feel like the best option might be to just walk away right now. So with that being said, I'm gonna make some food. Be right back. I guess I'll just see how it goes. Yeah, peace. Alright, looks like my 1-to-1 got hit then. That was a pretty nice trade to be honest. Obviously my risk was really low, literally like $10, and I just went for a 1-to-1. This is what I haven't done for like a while, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I almost always go for much higher than a 1-to-1. Like, usually I go for 1-to-2, 1-to-3, but I just wanted to walk away, get my psychology fucking out of there. There's also a supply zone right here. Didn't want to mess with that because we are on a downtrend. If I was here, I might have held it, but hey, I'm fucking happy, bro. Do you know how good it feels coming back to your computer after placing a trade and you fucking won? Even though it's $10, I'm not doing this for the money right now, bro. I'm just like, consider it a percentage. My account size is 354. What's fucking $10 of that? It's like 3%. Somewhere along those lines. So that's 3% in the account, bro. When you think about it that way, that's fucking crazy. If you watch the actual like full video of my weekly recap, my Monday and Tuesday went absolutely terribly. I've been over leveraging, I've been trading like shit, and yeah, it's just not been going too well. But I'm just kind of like making sure I trade smart now. I'm getting in a break of candle rather than just getting in aggressively with like no confirmation at all. And like, it's like I know what I'm doing. I'm just really dumb a lot of the time. Like, I just take the dumbest trades. But yeah, overall this is just a really nice trade. There's some 5 minute gaps just below, which was kind of lying, some pretty big gaps that I thought maybe I would want to fill, but clearly this shit is just booming. This shit is still going up. It's actually a really nice trade. Got a good 1-to-1, and shit, yeah, if I held this up, this is already a 1-to-3. That's crazy. But yeah, so if you came to this video expecting some big ass trade, bruh, that's not what I'm on. I'm just on improving right now. I'm not profitable. Don't take no advice from me, boy. Not smart. But yeah, guess that's the end of this. Got my fucking fried egg on toast to eat, man. Got that protein. And yeah, shit, I'll see you with the weekly recap. Peace.